From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. Finally, our January thaw on the way. Milder temperatures, 60s tomorrow, 70s on Sunday. Perhaps, I just thought I'd share that with you. Thaw with a WT. Anyway, let's get over to the weather wall and show you what's going on. We do have plenty of clouds across the area. Our next weather system, real weather maker, Pacific Northwest and moving into the Intermountain West, producing big snows across portions of the Rockies that haven't seen much snow this year, especially as we get into Nevada and portions of the Wasatch Range and the Bitterroots area. This storm system delivers a front, it looks like late Sunday night, early Monday, closer to Monday morning, the way things have been going timing-wise, but we'll assess that throughout the weekend. Meanwhile, locally, we have been noticing plenty of precip on the local radar, some activity offshore, the southeast Texas coast, all the way out into the Gulf of Mexico. Most of this staying here, but we could expect some light sprinkles or showers to move into the area later on tonight, and I think primarily after midnight, we'll see a few spotty showers, and that rain chance will continue through tomorrow. Certainly milder after another light freeze this morning. Temperatures at 4 a.m. this morning right around the freezing marker, upper 20s. The low was officially 30 in Lafayette, but we warmed up nicely after that light freeze. We got into the 40s and lower 50s this afternoon. 53 last hour, 50 right now in Lafayette, New Iberia. Upper 40s to the north, and with winds turning around now the east-southeast. We're going to see readings dip down into the mid-40s around midnight tonight, and then maybe rise a little bit into the upper 40s toward tomorrow morning. So that's in the forecast, along with a few spotty showers. Here we are first thing in the morning, and I think we're going to see a little bit more green than what Futurecast is indicating here. But the bottom line, the threat of scattered showers on and off throughout the day, but rain chances in the 30% range for tomorrow. Temperatures getting into the low to mid 60s for lunchtime, and then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, more clouds, maybe a few showers, but fog developing in the coastal waters, and that will be advancing inland tomorrow night through Sunday morning. Sunday depends on when that fog burns off, but we will see temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s, and then we got changes on the way courtesy of a cool front that'll be producing showers and storms across the western, northwestern part of the state after midnight Sunday night. Then we get closer to daybreak on Monday, and there's that line of showers and storms. Can't rule out a strong, maybe a severe storm, but it's looking less likely. But certainly some rumbles of thunder in the mix, and then drier, cooler air moving in. But this cool front, as we just showed you, of Pacific origin, not Arctic origin, so it won't be as cold behind this front, although we'll get down into the upper 30s, we think, by Monday night going into next Tuesday. As for rainfall, it's going to be a progressive system, so the RPM going with rain totals a half inch to maybe an inch of rain, higher amounts off to the north and west, and we check in on the old trusty European model, much the same, going for a little bit more rainfall for tomorrow, and then a little bit more as we go into Sunday night into Monday morning. So we'll say about an inch of rain for many spots, but we're not expecting any flooding conditions nor widespread severe weather. So here's the fog situation. Maybe a little light fog tonight underneath the clouds, but we don't think it's going to be too thick at all with the cloud cover and winds mostly out of the east. But during the day tomorrow, winds turn around out of the south, and look at that fog bank kind of locking in late tomorrow afternoon into early tomorrow evening, and then visibility is dropping down overnight tomorrow night to down near zero. So this could be that dense sea fog developing because the cool shelf waters right by the coast are taking that warmer air from the deeper Gulf. It chills that air. We have clouds condensing in a stratiform cloud base, and that happens right at the surface, and that's what we call fog, and that fog burns off as we go into Sunday afternoon. So temperatures tonight hold in the 40s. Tomorrow we'll get into the mid 60s. Tomorrow night we'll hold in the 50s, and then we go into Sunday, depending on when that fog burns off, will favor lower 70s. So well above freezing tonight, some showers late, a little light fog possible. We'll go 44 the low in Lafayette. Tomorrow 66 the high with mostly cloudy skies, maybe a break or two in the clouds. Rain chance, 30% chance of those spotty showers. And then fog near the coast by late tomorrow afternoon, advancing inland. Sunday, again, depending on that fog burning off, we'll say 70 to 72 for a high. Rain chance down to 10% Sunday, 90% very late Sunday night. More than likely, it's going to be early Monday morning. And then the rest of next week looks seasonable. But another front next Saturday could bring a couple of freezes back to the area in about 8 or 9 days, 10 days down the road.
We'll worry about that then.
Exactly.
Thank
Enjoy
you,
the
Rob.
warmth this week.
We will.
Still ahead on KATC.